wipers. Hey, vlog!
So here I am. Where's my drink? I'm sad.
You're alone.
I need my drink.
Oh, whoa.
Taking diabetes without it.
Here you go.
What's up, guys? Okay, so right.
Waiting in line to go on the ride.
This cold breeze, now you got the chills. We're running to the Voyage of the Iron Reef. It's a ride that you like shoot an octopus lady.
How are we gonna get there?
And Natalie and Izzy are already there, and we need to catch up with them because they're almost on. So that's what we're doing. Knott's Berry Farm is so fun, right, Katie?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You made me run. Hey guys.
Where are your glasses?
Inside the submarine at all times.
They're not letting me shoot.
You did it! You saved the port!
We beat up the octopus lady. We won the game.
Until the submarine.
In the log ride, and they made me sit alone in the front. So here I am. Natalie went with her family, so it's the three of us.
Oh my gosh.
We are in line for Coast Rider.
We
It's a new
are in line,
ride.
and it's a new ride.
It is similar to
It
Goofy's
is
Sky
similar
School
to Goofy's
at
Sky School
California
at
Adventure at Disneyland.
California Adventure at Disneyland.
So yeah.
So yeah.
It's about 3:25 and we've been waiting forever in this line, but it's almost time to go on, and it's gonna be super fun.
Super fun. I want to find a belly button. Later. Get me. From California to New York Island.
On the run! We just went on Bigfoot Rapids, right guys?
We're gonna go again. So big. I'm going again.
We are on Jaguar. Well, we're not on it, but we're almost. Let's go. Lego. Lego. Hey.
I have the hiccups.
The ride is shut down. Montezuma's Revenge.
We're in the front.
It's really annoying, and we're waiting it out to see if it will work, but it's not, and it's been a while, so that's
It's been like
sad.
5 minutes. What is
So guys, we finished going on, what did we just go on? Silver Bullet, and now we're going on Supreme Scream. It's only 5:30, but because of the time change, it's dark, so it's really weird.
There, the worst part's going up, so then we go down, we wake up, hacha, and then we're back. Ah! It's a gang, 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 which gang, which gang, it's a gang, it's a gang, it's a gang. Rolling down in the back. H-O-N.
The log ride for the third time because there's no wait. Fried rice for dinner. Katie and Izzy are on a ride, and we want fried rice, so we got fried
I'm
rice.
so hungry. Oh.
So guys, it's been about 20 minutes, and we ordered again. The first time we got fried rice, this time we got chow mein, and we both got fortune cookies, so let's open them and see what our fortune is. A small gift will become a prized possession.
You have firm convictions. Stand strong behind them.
Working. Thanks for stealing our food.
3 times in a row.
It's a big scrambler now. It's a little baby ride, but it slingshots you around, so it should be Coast Rider for the second time. the day, if you watch my vlog this far, what is your favorite amusement park? Comment down below.
Disneyland, Six Flags.
Wow! Let's go. It's 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye.